Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video on right triangles. A right triangle is one that has a 90-degree angle, generally signified by the small square on one of the vertices as shown here. So how do we find the area of a right triangle? Well, let's take an example. Let's take this triangle with leg lengths of 3 and 5 units. Here's how we do this. The area of any given triangle is base times height divided by 2, and in this case our base is 3 and our height is 5. So, we just plug it into the formula and do 3 times 5 divided by 2 to give us the area. This turns out to be 15 over 2, or 7.5 units squared. So why does this work for right triangles? Let's take a look. Suppose we have a rectangle with 4 90-degree angles, and we draw its diagonal. We break it up into 2 right triangles. Let's call this the base of the rectangle, this the height of the rectangle, and shade the area of each triangle in purple. Note that the area of the 2 triangles must be the same because we broke the rectangle by its diagonal, which means each side is symmetric. Now, we know the area of a rectangle is its base times its height, and since 2 of these right triangles make up the area of one rectangle, the area of one triangle must be half of the area of the entire rectangle. Let's now look at this formulaically. The area of a rectangle is its base times its height. So 2 times the area of a triangle would also equal the base times the height of the rectangle. Therefore, dividing by 2 on both sides, the area of a triangle is base times height over 2. Now we're going to do some practice problems involving finding the area of a right triangle. Pause the video here if you'd like to figure them out for yourself. Something I would like to clarify are the legs of a triangle. These are always the 2 sides of the triangle that form the right angle. These are the 2 numbers that you will multiply and then divide by 2 to find the area. The other side, known as the hypotenuse, is not involved in the calculations for area. Make sure you're multiplying the lengths of the legs of the triangles and aren't involving the hypotenuse. Let's get started with the first problem. Here, the leg lengths, the base and the height, are 3 and 10 units respectively. So, we multiply them together to get 30, then divide by 2 to get 15. But are we done here? Not quite. When doing area calculations, you always have to make sure that you specify the units, and in this case, our area would be in the form units squared. If you don't understand why, please check out the video on dimensional analysis and units. Let's move on to the next question. Here we have a triangle with leg lengths of 3 centimeters and 7 centimeters. Multiplying together we get 21, and then dividing by 2, 21 over 2, or 10.5 centimeters squared. Let's move on to problem 3. Here our base is 6 inches and our height is 2 inches. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Therefore, our area is 6 inches squared. Now, our second to last question. Our base is 3 units, our height is 4 units, and 3 times 4 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Therefore, our area is 6 inches squared. Finally, here our base is 8 feet, our height is 10 feet, therefore our area would be 8 times 10 divided by 2, which is 80 divided by 2, or 40 feet squared. Thanks for watching. If you found that useful, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Finally, if you feel like this wasn't enough or you'd like more practice resources on this subject or any other, please check out our website linked in the description box below and contact us for free resources and private tutoring.